Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in office supplies. Today, we're diving into the world of organization with the best Blue Thumb Tacks available on the market, jam paper colorful pushpins. These vibrant, round-headed map thumbtacks are a game-changer for anyone looking to add a pop of color to their workspace while keeping things organized. With a pack of 100, you'll have plenty to work with for all your pinning needs. Now, let's talk about what sets these push pins apart. Made from durable alloy steel with a plastic head, these pins are built to last. Whether you're pinning up important documents, calendars, or artwork, these thumbtacks provide a strong hold that you can rely on. Measuring approximately 1 inch in size, these pins are the perfect fit for any bulletin board or cork board. And with their sleek blue color, they add a touch of style to any workspace. But what really makes these push pins stand out is their versatility. Use them to pin up notes, leave reminders for yourself, or even match them to colored paper for a coordinated look. So, if you're ready to add some color and organization to your workspace, look no further than jam paper colorful push pins. With their sturdy construction and vibrant blue hue, they're sure to become your go-to thumbtacks. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best office supplies.